Here's our campsite at the Lost Dutchman. Christmas Day. We have this table. We have this other view towards Phoenix. We have a YouTuber down there with the yellow flag. That's Ray from Love Your RV. Haven't seen him yet, but I'll talk to him. And over here we have Abby. There's Abby. Got the solar up, not getting much power today. And then back here is the mountain again. I heard a bunch of coyotes back that direction last night. I mean, a lot of coyotes. Pretty nice so far.